Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to look more at our structural framing that we've been working on, our commercial projects. But we're going to look at structural a bit more here. So here, this is going to be our level 1 foundation and level 1 plan. And then we've got our level 2 and a level roof. Now here I've got this blank sheet. This is going to be for our schedule and details here. So first thing I want to do here, I think we've got, let's go pull on our schedules that we have. So we've got our law office, our graphical column schedule. That will go here. Now I don't think they made any other schedules for us. So let's create one on our own here. And this is going to be basically a framing schedule, and hopefully, and see if we can get some weight out of this, something out of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my View tab, and I'm going to Schedules, and I want to do a material takeoff here. So the fields I want to go here with category. It's going to be structural framing. I'm going to go OK. Now to add the fields, we want to add, let's go type. Let's go. Let's add our type here. And then we want to go material area. Material name. Material volume. There you go. Okay, now, so I'm going to say OK here. So this is basically what we have. Let me just go and edit this field a bit here. So properties, fields. Let's move the area down here. Okay. Then OK again. So basically what we have is we have the volume of the material, of each of these materials. And the areas, basically, but in this case, we're really interested in volume. So here, what we can do a few things here. You can calculate these weights out one by one and add formulas, or you can, let's see. What we're going to do now is let's go in and create another parameter. So let's go into our Manage tab. Under Project Parameters here, and create new. And here we're going to just say here, I'm going to go say pounds per, whoops, I'll leave it in caps so I can know it, per cubic foot. T. Now here, once we get that, this is going to be a number as well, I hope. And then this is going to be under materials. And then we'll say OK. And then we'll say OK here. And now I'm going to go back to my fields. And this should be in caps somewhere, I hope. There it is. I want to bring this over here. And I'm going to grab it. And I'm going to do a calculated value right here. So here, I want to multiply. Let's see, we'll just call this value. I don't know, what should we call that? We'll just call this item weight to make it simple. I don't think it'll affect anything here. Go item weight. Go item weight here. And then here we go here, the formula will be volume. Okay, and then it's going to be times material per cubic foot. I'm going to go with this one next. And we'll go okay. We'll go okay here. Okay, now we got a problem there, and I think you just got to be over 1 here. And then we'll go okay. Okay. So now there's our fields. So now basically what happens is material volume here, or we can go with material pounds. So let me see, pounds per cubic inch. So basically we know that steel, the weight of steel is 490 a cubic foot. So I'm gonna go pick one of these just for that. I'm gonna just go here and say 490. Okay, so there we go. So that's how you would get our weight calculated. So this is our weights. Let's see if I can go 490 here. So this is whatever the weight of the material is. I think, yep, steel is about 490 a cubic foot. So I can go here. Let me see, we got 14. There are other ways you can do this, but this is the way I'm doing it now. So here, once we've got those values in, this curve is over this like so. And then I'm going to go to my fields here. And I'll go to sorting and grouping. And I want to sort these by type and by, I don't know, material. Material name. Go okay. And then we can go sorting and grouping. We can go grand totals. And we can, I think, itemize every instance would be better here. Yeah, well, it would, because we got a lot of varying going on because of different sites. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to edit this field. I'm going to go to these fields of sorting and grouping, and I want to itemize every instance, and I add grand totals. So there's all of our weights and our structural framing schedule. So I'm going to go back to our detail sheets here. So I'm going to grab that schedule, project browser. Structural framing takeoff. Wow, that's a big one. So I'm going to just lay it here for now. And we could break this off, split it there. And let's just drag this over each of those to there. So this is just a brief little example of this. So we've got more schedules here. I think we can do a column schedule in the next video. So now let's go back to our foundation plan here. Just want to activate this view. This is just for reference sake because we can do a lot of structural details, but I'm going to just do a few here. So I'm going to go here and I want to create a section view right through there, roughly. Okay. Now let's go and open this view. I think we can apply a view template here. Structural section. Okay. Now in this case, we just want to see the bottom. So I'm going to go here. I should call this column detail or something. And there's our detail. And then I want to go to my the foundation sheet. Actually, no, we don't have room on that sheet, but typically it could go here, but since we've got this sheet here, we can go to this section, schedule and details, and go to my project browser once again. And we're going to pull off, let's see, maybe section, I thought that was on, okay, that's on the sheet already. So let's go back here and see what happened here. That's section 5. Okay, so he's on the sheet somewhere already, I guess. So anyway, let me go back to our sheets. You activate this view. It's section 5. Okay, and he's on the sheet. I don't see it. I'm just going to tile these. T, W, T, G, A. I do not see that. There it is right there, section 5. Oh, okay. Okay. That's interesting. So what I'm going to do, since that's playing with me, I'm going to tab these views again. Now that's really not, that's a little bug in there, because normally, let's see what section that is. Activate view. And that's saying that's on a section. Oh, there it is. My bad. So let's go back into our 105. I want to bring this detail over to here. So that's briefly how you do a few schedules for structural. You got the column schedule, and then here we've got our we're calculating weights here for all of our our members. Come on now, goodness. But anyway, guys, just want to show you this quick video of how you would do our structural drawings, schedules. I think, well, next time I'll do you a column schedule, because you have a graphical column schedule and framing schedule. This shows all the steel work, baby beams, and like we got W12s, and we even got some, yeah, basically steel. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this all the time. And everybody, please be safe and join me in the next video. Please subscribe, y'all. Thanks. Bye.